Hey guys, how are you doing? Kind of phoning it in a bit today. Just it's been such a busy day at work, so just a really quick program off me today. I've used Google Colab to make this little Python program. What it does after importing the math and random libraries and also matplotlib, just the PyPot components there as plot. So what I do is I use that random library to generate a y magnitude and an x magnitude, any number between 4 and 20. What this does when I run it is, so let's run those libraries. And then once I run this cell, I pick a random number for my y magnitude, a random number for my x magnitude. I print those so I know what they are, 19 and 14. And then I also print the solution if I wanted to work out the basically the hypotenuse of that triangle. I'm just using trig. So what I'm doing is I'm working out the magnitude of the resultant vector if I've got these two positive vectors along the y and the x-axis. So I can see there that that's 23.6. That allows me to cheat and run that in my head. So that'd be 24. And that's useful for this next bit where I use matplotlib to actually plot the vector diagram for those two vectors. So that's my y vector of 19, and that's my x vector of 14. I've hidden the axes here because I don't want it to look like a graph. I want it to actually look like a vector diagram. And then it asks for my input. So the question's printed out. It says a vector running along y has a magnitude of 19 and a vector running along x has a magnitude of 14. So what's the magnitude of the resultant vector of these two vectors? Now I know that because I've printed the answer up there. So that'd be 24. I don't have to get my calculator out for that. And then if I put the right answer in, it will say, well done, the answer is 24. Now, let's, I don't need this block at the end. This is from when I was iterating ideas earlier. So let's run that again now, actually. It's going to have the same x and y values, but it's going to give me a chance to input the wrong answer. So let's put in the answer 12 in. Yep, sorry, the answer was 24. So that's all I've made today. I'll try and find a bit more time tomorrow and post something a little bit more excellent. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you for tomorrow.